typo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna do their best. Yeah, we I don't want flame. Yeah, we I don't want more. Who's that? Yeah, almost hit.
Okay, I just got on her because how do y'all be looking when y'all go get y'all hair done? I know my friend, she always wear a hat. Me, I'm gonna put on like a bonnet probably. I know some people that put on hoodies and stuff, but my friend was just looking at me at FaceTime like I'm crazy. We just looking at each other like that. Like, I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm getting this wig slapped on, so it's gonna get better in a minute. Just give me a second. But I'm almost there. I'm like 20 minutes away. So I'll pick it back up when I'm in the chair. Alright. Oh, and I still ain't decided what I'm gonna call y'all. Somebody said I should call y'all my cousins. Do I wanna be related to everybody? Everybody? Everybody. Well, we might end up being cousins, y'all. But that's easy for me to remember. But I'm okay. I'm gotta concentrate.
Yeah, I love this little spot. Like, I always get me some fried crab, some fish most of the time, bassa or some catfish or some salmon. I fry all that shit. And then I'll get me some shrimp, like the jumbo shrimp, or maybe it's the prawns or whatever. And then they got the best corn. I don't know what they do to it back there, but they got the mayo and the Parmesan cheese and all of that shit on there. And they just look how fresh everything is. Like, this is one of the first. Yeah, yeah, give me that. All of that. Give me one of them. Yeah, so I love coming here. She was a little bit backed up with the previous client that she had, so I found my motherfucking way over here, and I was not mad at her being late. So I didn't even get a chance to put a picture of the food in her either, so deal with that.
Some little median thing that went down over the. I didn't know what.
That was in San Francisco?
Yeah.
And then they all hopped out of the car and ran.
Yeah.
And the car was flipped over. And didn't know where they was going. That was so crazy. At first, when I seen it, I thought it was the stairs off of Lake Mary.
Me too.
That's what I thought it was.
Stairs off Lake Mary.
But when I when I read it, I was like, that's crazy. Y'all could have died.
Yeah, and they didn't even know the severity they were in. They don't.
That is
And
crazy.
They waited until everybody helped them out the car and
And
then
then took off.
I would have too. Shit, we in trouble.
Oh, and then the man came over
Okay,
here.
y'all, I am sitting here editing the video, and I'm gonna insert a clip of what we was talking about. I'm gonna insert the news clip. Yeah.
someone now.
Others have, and I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians. Then they had another laugh. That same ending with an F and blue girls with them.
What? Come on now, y'all know Asia does her thing. And I love when she curled this little piece over here. It looks so dainty. Yeah, so what, like I was saying, oh, you want to shine on me too? It's cool. Like I was saying, back like I never left. Yeah, okay, we're gonna get into this a little bit more in a second. I gotta get down the street because I think I want me one of them little drinks. Juice drinks. I don't know what's going on there. Ah!
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. They too fly, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunanani. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can't just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah, I too good, drink too strong.